Hi children, good afternoon. How are you? Fine? Are you happy? Okay. My name is Srinivas, K. Srinivas, Senior Chemistry Faculty. Actually, today I will start bridge course. Bridge course means basic concepts, some important points in chemistry. Okay? Today I will start in chemistry some important points bridge course. So before bridge course, generally we want what is intermediate? You know intermediate program? Don't know. So intermediate actually MPC is there, BiPC is there, CE, HE is like that. But here I am telling about that intermediate MPC and BiPC. So intermediate 2 years, intermediate first year, second year. Intermediate first year how many marks? Second year how many marks? Total how many marks? Total means 2 years how many marks? Now I am discussing with first. I am saying about that first MPC, about that BiPC. Actually in intermediate, so intermediate MPC. MPC means Maths, Physics, Chemistry. Intermediate first MPC and another one is BiPC. Okay, BiPC. MPC and BiPC. Actually, MPC how many marks? First year. BiPC first year how many marks? Second year MPC how many marks? BiPC how many marks? In MPC first year 470. Second year 470. Total how many? 940 marks. Remaining 60 marks practicals. Practicals means physics and chemistry. Total how many marks? 1000 marks. Children, I am saying about that first intermediate MPC. First year 470 marks. Second year 470 marks. 940 marks. Practical 60 marks. Practical 60 marks means physics 30 marks, chemistry 30 marks. Total 60. Total 1000. Okay? These are. Next, I am discussing about that BiPC group. In BiPC, first year 440 marks. Second year 440 marks. Total 880. How many marks? Less 120 marks. That means practicals 120 marks. That means 1000 marks. 1000 marks. Here 120 practicals means botany 30 marks, zoology 30 marks, physics 30 marks, and final chemistry 30 marks. Total how many marks? 120 marks. Compared to MPC students, BiPC students having 120 marks. So 4 practicals, extra botany, zoology. MPC, BiPC common subjects, physics and chemistry. Okay. So these are MPC and BiPC. Okay. So these are intermediate. Next in MPC 470 first year, second year 470. First year 470 means second year also 470. 470 means, okay. So these are intermediate first year MPC, second year MPC, total marks. MPC and BiPC. So first year 470 marks means MPC. Okay, 470 marks means, so first actually English, okay, Sanskrit. Sanskrit 100 marks. 100 marks. English 100 marks. Okay. And another one is maths, one paper 1A, 75 marks. And maths 1B, 75 marks. Physics 60 marks. Chemistry 60 marks. Total how many? 470. 470 first year. Like that. Second year also same. 100 marks, maths 75 like that. Okay. So that is a program of MPC first year and second year. Okay, marks intermediate generally. Okay. Next YPC. In YP students, MP students, common subjects English, Sanskrit, physics and chemistry. MPC maths. Instead of maths in YP students, botany and zoology. That is a different. Remaining all correct. Okay. In YP students, first same Sanskrit. Sanskrit 100 marks. Dear students, Sanskrit 100 marks. English 100 marks. Next to botany. Botany 60 marks. Zoology 60 marks. Physics 60 marks. Chemistry 60 marks. Total 440 marks. First year 440, second year 440, 820, 880, sorry, 880. Remaining 120 practicals. Botany 30 marks, zoology 30 marks, physics 30 marks, and chemistry 30 marks. Okay, that is a MPC and YPC program. Anyway, first year and second year. Okay, in MPC and YPC common subjects English, Sanskrit, mainly in science students botany and physics and chemistry common. Okay, so chemistry. In intermediate chemistry, very important. Okay, you know chemistry? Actually, chemistry is one of the important subject. Generally, reactions, concepts, numerical structures, equations like that. Different models there in chemistry. Chemistry, universal subject. Generally, chemistry three parts: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry. You know, some students is there in IIT students like that. Inorganic means groups, period table. Groups means alkali and alkaline earth metals, third group elements, chemical. These are inorganic chemistry. Organic chemistry means carbon compounds. You know, in 10th class level you are studied alkenes, alkenes, alkynes, IUPACs, nomenclature. These are organic chemistry. Physical chemistry means very important. Physical chemistry means numerical, formulas, depends on formulas. Acids and bases, solutions, thermodynamics, like that. All are problems. So, you know, in the anthropology you are finished acid and base lesson, pH problems, solutions, molarity, normality, like that. So these are physical chemistry. Anyway, chemistry three parts: inorganic, organic, physical. You know, okay, which one is better? All are equal, but organic chemistry means some complicated is the reactions and mechanism like that. Remembering all points very important. Okay, now I will give in intermediate syllabus, JEE main syllabus also. I will give first in intermediate syllabus, chemistry syllabus. I will give intermediate chemistry syllabus. Okay, in intermediate syllabus chemistry IIT G main syllabus. First one is first topic. In intermediate first year 13 topics is there. Very very important. 13 topics. Okay, subtopics also is there. Main topics 13. First atomic structure. First atomic structure. Second one is classification of elements. Classification of elements. Classification of elements and periodicity. Periodicity in properties. This is the second. Third one is chemical bonding and molecular structure. And molecular structure. That is a third one. Fourth one is states of matter. States of matter. Here gases and liquids. Gases and liquids. That is a fourth lesson. And the fifth lesson, stoichiometry. Stoichiometry. Sixth one is thermodynamics. 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 Seventh one is chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium and acids and bases. And the eighth one is hydrogen and its compounds. Hydrogen and its compounds. And the ninth one is S-block elements. S-block elements like that. Alkali and alkaline earth metals. Simply 1A and 2A group elements. 1A and 2A group elements. One A and 2A group elements. Once lesson, remaining also I will write. First atomic structure. Students, understand? Following? Okay? Once lesson. Look at all of you. Atomic structure first lesson. Classification of elements and periodicity in property. Simply periodic table. Chemical bonding and molecular structure. Chemical bond lesson. Third, states of matter, gases and liquids. Stoichiometry, these are very important, mole concept like that. Thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium and acids and bases. Chemical equilibrium, acid and base. Hydrogen and its compounds. S-block elements. S-block elements means alkali and alkaline earth metals. 1A and 2A group elements. Okay? Writing, all of you write the first year topics for JEE mains, you need syllabus like that. Okay? Next another one is, so 9 completed, next 10th one. 10th one is P-block elements. P-block elements means group 13 elements. Group 13 elements. That means boron family. Boron family. Boron family. And the 11th one is same P-block elements. Same P-block elements. Group 14 elements. Group 14 elements. Group 14 elements. Carbon family. Next 12th, environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry. Next 13th one is very important. 13th one is now 13th one is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, that means some basic concepts of principles, some basic concepts of principles, some techniques, and some techniques, and hydrocarbons. Okay, so organic chemistry, some basic concepts and principles, some basic concepts of principles, and principles, and some techniques and hydrocarbons. So these are major lesson of organic chemistry. So in first year, major lesson of organic chemistry. Okay, very important. So much information is there. Anyway, so these are chemistry first year for IIT-G, NEET and intermediate. So these are syllabus total 13 lessons. Again, atomic structure, simple atomic structure, classification of elements, periodicity of properties, simply periodic table, chemical bonding, states of matter, stoichiometry. Next, thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium and acid and base, hydrogenous compounds, and S block elements, 1A, 2A group elements, P block elements, 13th group elements, and 14th group elements. Next, environmental chemistry, last organic chemistry. Okay, so these are first year syllabus. Okay, now I will start chemistry, some basic points, bridge course. Okay, chemistry bridge course. Okay, bridge course. So in chemistry, so many basic points is there. In chemistry, so many basic points is there. So many basic points means simply first, in atomic structure, so much information is there. So many points, units like that. In atomic structure, very well. Atomic structure, it is a physical chemistry topic. In first year, in physical chemistry, first topic atomic structure. Very complicated lesson, very important, easy also. Okay, already you have studied in the 10th class level some important concepts. Atomic structure. Generally, atoms are indivisible particles. Atoms are indivisible in nature. Atom can be defined as the smallest particle of an element, the smallest part of an element that can take part in chemical bonding, chemical reaction is known as atom. That is one of the definition of atom. Atom is smallest part of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction is known as atom. Generally, atom containing three particles that is known as subatomic particles. So how many atomic particles? Atom containing three fundamental particles, that is a subatomic particles. So atom having three fundamental particles, that is known as subparticles. First atomic theory was introduced by Dalton. The Dalton atomic theory. First atomic theory was introduced by discovered by Dalton. So anyway, atom containing three fundamental particles, that is subatomic particles. First one is proton. Second one is electron. Third one is neutron. Okay, that is a fundamental atomic. These are the bridge course basic points. We know. Just listen. After that, I will give so much information. Atom having three fundamental particles, subparticles: proton, electron, and neutron. Okay. Generally, proton having positive charge. Electron having negative charge. Neutron having no charge. That means zero charge. No charge. Simply no charge better. No charge. Once again, proton. How many fundamental particles? Atom containing three fundamental particles. Okay, three fundamental particles. Proton, electron, neutron. Proton having positive charge. Electron having negative charge. Neutron having no charge. Okay. Proton. Generally, charge can be expressed in coulombs. Generally, so mass of proton generally plus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. But electron negative charge minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Neutron having no charge, that means zero. Okay, so that is the information of proton, electron and neutron. Next, another one is proton was first discovered by Goldstein by anode-rays experiment. Listen to the point. Proton was first discovered by Goldstein by anode-rays experiment. Anode-rays another name is canal-rays experiment. That is another point. The name of proton was given by Rutherford. Okay, so these are proton. Next, electron. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson by cathode-rays experiment. So electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson by cathode-rays experiment. The name electron was given by G.J. Stoney. Next, neutron was discovered by Chadwick. By bombardment of element beryllium with alpha particle. Alpha particle is nothing but 2 helium-4. So neutron was discovered by Chadwick. By bombarded the element beryllium with alpha particle. Okay, now I will give you neutron is obtained with the reaction. Neutron means beryllium. 4 beryllium-9 plus 2 helium-4 gives rise to 6 carbon-12 plus 0N1. 0N1 is considered as a neutron. That means neutron was discovered by Chadwick by bombarded of element beryllium with alpha particle. That is a neutron is obtained. So that is a fundamental particles of proton, electron, neutron. That is a charge. Don't forget charge. Next, mass. Okay, proton. So noted. Write down 3 points. Next, mass. Fundamental particle mass can be expressed in AMU. What is the full form of particles mass? mass can be expressed in AMU. Fundamental particles mass can be expressed in AMU. Particles mass, fundamental particles mass can be expressed in AMU. AMU full form atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. 1 AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Write down. So these are very important. Fundamental particles mass can be expressed in AMU. 1 AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power 24. So grams. Okay. Now I will give proton mass, electron mass and neutron mass. Okay. Now I will give, okay, 1 AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Okay. Now I will give mass of proton. Particles mass in AMU. Mass in grams. Mass in kilograms. Okay. Now I will give first proton. Proton here mass generally 1.77, 1.007825 AMU. Next electron 0.00055 AMU, nearly. Some books 5, 6 is there, nearest value. And the neutron 1.008665 AMU. I am given fundamental particles mass in AMU 1.007825, 0.0055, 1.08665 AMU. Now I will give in grams. In grams means 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Here 1.672, sorry, 672, 1.672, 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 24 kilograms. But electron mass in grams 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams, or 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilograms. Next neutron. Generally mass of proton and mass of neutron approximately equal, nearest. So here also 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams, 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. That is a given fundamental particles mass in AMU, mass in grams, mass in kilograms. I given in AMU in grams. Anyway, so these are fundamental atomic particles. So these are tabular form. It is a, so fundamental particles proton, electron, neutron, AMU. That is a, anyway. Once again, proton positive charge, electron negative charge, neutron no charge. So okay, simple. Proton means P, electron means like that, neutron means N. Okay. So in AMU 1.007825 AMU, 0.0000055 AMU, 1.008665 AMU. In grams 1.67 to 10 to the power minus 24, 1.027, 28 grams, 9.10 to the power minus 31 kilograms. 1.675 10 to the power minus 24 grams, 1.675 10 to the power minus. Generally, proton mass of proton and mass of neutron near approximately equal. Okay, both are equal near. Okay, so these are fundamental particles mass in AMU, grams, kilograms. Next, generally mass of proton is mass of proton about 1840 times heavier than mass of proton about 1840 times heavier than electron. heavier than electron. Compared to electron, proton mass 1840 times heavier than electron. So that is another important point of proton and electron. So these are proton mass, okay, and particles mass. Next another one is, okay, write down. These are tabular form is important. These are values. The values are required. Okay, next. Next, J.J. Thomson determined the specific charge of electron. Specific charge symbol E by M. Specific charge. Another name is charge to mass ratio. So J.J. Thomson determined the specific charge to mass ratio of electron. These are value how much? So E by M value of electron is how much? 1.78 into 10 to the power 8 C for grams. Coulomb for grams. 1.78 into 10 to the power 8 Coulomb for. Okay, E by M value specific charge value of electron is 1.78 into 10 to the power 8 Coulomb for grams. That is one of the important point. Next another one is, anyway, specific charge of electron determined by J.J. Thomson. Next another is mass of electron determined by Millikan scientist by oil drop experiment. That means mass of electron is determined by the following equation. M of E means mass of electron. Mass of electron is calculated the following formula: charge of electron by E by M value of electron. That means charge of electron by specific charge of electron. That value, charge of electron how much? 1.6 into nearest 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, by, so specific charge how much? 1.78 into 10 to the power 8 Coulomb per gram. So that means total calculated 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. That is a mass of electron. Mass of electron can be calculated by following this equation. So charge of electron by specific charge of electron. Charge of electron, you know, 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay, already explained. Okay, these are 1.78 into the power 8 Coulomb per grams. Charge to mass ratio or specific charge. Why you calculated these are. So mass of electron, you know, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. So these are fundamental atomic particles. Some fundamental atomic particles information. Next, charge to mass ratio means nothing but a specific charge. I will give specific charge of electron, proton, alpha particles and neutrons. Generally, E by M value order is, first which one is more? Electron is greater than to proton next to alpha, last to neutron. That is a order. Which one is more? Electron more. After that proton, next to alpha particle, last to neutron. Neutron means no charge particle. Anyway, so these are order of electron, proton, alpha particles and neutron. Okay, so these are one of the important point of fundamental concept in bridge course, some basic points. Next another one is units of atom. units of atom, units of atom, units of atom is angstroms, angstrom. It is denoted by symbol a power 0. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. Units of atom, units of atom, units of atom, units of atom, angstrom unit. 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters or 10 to the power minus 10 meters. 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters or 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So these are one of the important point of the basic concept. Next, nucleus. Nucleus. Nucleus means the central part of the atom is known as nucleus. Suppose I am taking the atom. I am taking atom, that is the center. The central part of the atom is known as nucleus. Units of nucleus. Units of nucleus is Fermi. Units of nucleus is Fermi. Simply Fm. 1 Fermi equal to 10 to the power minus 13 centimeters or 10 to the power minus 15 meters. That is one of the important. Atom having no charge, but nucleus having charge, positive charge. Nucleus having positive charge. The central part of the atom is known as nucleus. Nucleus contain nucleons. Nucleus contain nucleons. Nucleus contain nucleons. Okay. So that is some important points of in atomic structures. In atomic structure lesson, but these are I am giving these are all bridge course basic points. Compulsory remembering what I explained. These are all points. Remembering these all points. Remaining concepts tomorrow. Bridge course today I started. Okay. So tomorrow onwards continuation. Okay. Today enough. Okay, today enough these points. Once listen, anyone doubt, once call, no problem. So that is some. So don't forget remembering these all points. Okay. Thank you, children. Okay, happy. Okay, thank you.